Have you ever dreaded the thought of climbing a ladder to clean out your gutters only to find yourself battling leaves, dirt, and debris? Cleaning gutters is one of those necessary chores that no one looks forward to, but it's essential for maintaining your home. The good news is that the right tools can make this job much easier and safer. Today, we're counting down the top 7 gutter cleaners on the market. Whether you're looking for a simple manual tool or a high-tech solution, we've got you covered. Stick around to find out which product takes the top spot. It might just change the way you clean gutters forever. 7. Amerimax 8300 Getter Gutter Scoop. The Amerimax 8300 Getter Gutter Scoop is a straightforward and budget-friendly tool designed for manual gutter cleaning. Made from durable polypropylene, this scoop is lightweight and easy to handle. Its high handle position is a thoughtful design feature that keeps your hands safe from scrapes and scratches while working. The extended tongue allows it to reach under gutter supports, which is particularly useful for thorough cleaning, and the narrow heel makes it simple to pull the loaded scoop out of the gutter without spilling debris everywhere. While the Amerimax scoop is effective for basic cleaning tasks, its simplicity can also be its limitation. The plastic material, though flexible enough to fit into most gutters, feels somewhat flimsy when dealing with heavier debris like wet leaves or compacted dirt. Additionally, this tool requires you to climb a ladder and manually clean each section of the gutter, which can be time-consuming and physically demanding. It's not ideal for larger homes or those looking for a more efficient solution. Despite its drawbacks, the Amerimax scoop does have its merits. It's incredibly affordable and versatile. It can also be used for spreading fertilizer, rock salt, or even scooping pet food. For homeowners on a tight budget or those with smaller properties, this tool offers a cost-effective way to maintain gutters. However, if you're looking for something more durable or designed for heavy-duty tasks, you might find yourself upgrading sooner rather than later. Number 6. XERO Gutter Cleaning Tool. The XERO Gutter Cleaning Tool is a step up in terms of versatility and convenience. Designed to attach to any standard Acme threaded extension pole, this tool allows you to clean gutters without constantly repositioning your ladder. Its dual-purpose design features a scoop for pulling debris towards you and a hook for pushing debris under gutter hangers or hard-to-reach areas. The lightweight construction ensures that your arms won't tire quickly during use, making it an appealing choice for homeowners with medium-sized properties. However, there are some limitations to consider. The XERO tool does not come with an extension pole, which means an additional purchase is necessary if you don't already own one. While it excels at removing dry leaves and lighter debris, it struggles with heavier materials like wet leaves or mud. Additionally, because it relies on manual effort, cleaning still requires some physical exertion and careful maneuvering. That said, the XERO Gutter Cleaning Tool shines in terms of safety and ease of use. By reducing the need to climb up and down a ladder repeatedly, it minimizes the risk of accidents, a significant advantage for those who are not comfortable working at heights. Its durable design ensures long-lasting performance, making it a worthwhile investment for routine maintenance tasks. For homeowners who already own an extension pole and need a simple yet effective tool for light gutter cleaning jobs, the XERO tool is a practical option. 5. McCauley Gutter Beast. The McCauley Gutter Beast lives up to its name as a robust and versatile tool for gutter cleaning. Made from thick nylon material, this lightweight yet sturdy tool is designed to clean gutters from both the ground and the roof. It features 2 threaded locations, one for attaching poles to clean gutters and another for clearing off gutter guards, offering unmatched flexibility for various cleaning needs. One of the standout features of the Gutter Beast is its compatibility with most standard Acme threaded poles, including broom handles or extension poles you may already have at home. This makes it incredibly convenient and cost-effective. The tool's design allows it to tackle tough debris effectively while being gentle enough not to damage your gutters or guards. However, like many tools in this category, the McCauley Gutter Beast does have some minor drawbacks. It doesn't include an extension pole in the package, so you'll need to purchase one separately if required. Additionally, While it performs well on most types of debris, compacted dirt or ice buildup may require extra effort or multiple passes to clear completely. Despite these minor issues, the McCauley Gutter Beast stands out as one of the most user-friendly tools on our list. Its ability to clean both gutters and guards sets it apart from simpler tools that focus solely on one task. Whether you're working from the ground or tackling harder-to-reach areas from a ladder or roofline, this tool offers excellent versatility and value for money. For homeowners who want a reliable, all-in-one solution without breaking the bank, the McCauley Gutter Beast is an excellent choice. 4. Chomp Microfiber Gutter Cleaner Tool. The Chomp Microfiber Gutter Cleaner Tool is a standout for homeowners who prioritize safety and convenience. This innovative tool combines a microfiber mitt with an extendable pole attachment, allowing you to clean gutters from the ground without ever climbing a ladder. Designed to tackle black streaks, dirt, and oxidation stains, it's particularly effective for cleaning the exterior of gutters, siding, and trim. The microfiber material ensures a gentle yet thorough clean, making it safe for all surfaces, including aluminum, vinyl, and steel. One of the most appealing features of the Chomp tool is its versatility. It's not limited to gutters. It can also be used for cleaning windows, siding, and even solar panels. The microfiber mitt is machine washable, ensuring you can reuse it multiple times without losing effectiveness. Additionally, the tool is compatible with any standard threaded extension pole, which provides flexibility for different heights and cleaning needs. However, there are some limitations to keep in mind. While the Chomp tool excels at cleaning exterior surfaces, it's not designed for removing heavy debris from inside gutters. If your gutters are clogged with leaves or compacted dirt, you'll need a separate tool to handle that task. Additionally, the extension pole is sold separately, which may add to the overall cost if you don't already own one. What truly sets this tool apart is its eco-friendly design. The cleaning solution that pairs with the microfiber mitt is biodegradable and non-toxic, making it safe for both your home and the environment. This combination of safety, efficiency, and environmental consciousness makes the Chomp Microfiber Gutter Cleaner tool an excellent choice for routine maintenance and enhancing curb appeal. Number 3. CRAFTSMAN CMX ZVBE 38640 Gutter Cleaning Kit. The CRAFTSMAN CMX ZVBE 38640 Gutter Cleaning Kit transforms your wet-dry vacuum into a powerful gutter cleaning machine. This 4-piece kit includes 2 extension wands, a gutter nozzle, and a blower nozzle, all designed to tackle hard-to-reach areas with ease. The angled gutter nozzle fits perfectly into gutters to vacuum or blow out debris efficiently, while the blower nozzle makes quick work of leaves and dirt. One of the key advantages of this kit is its versatility. It's compatible with most wet-dry vacuums that have a 2.5-inch diameter hose, making it accessible for many homeowners. Whether you're dealing with residential or commercial properties, this tool can handle a variety of cleaning tasks beyond gutters, such as yard cleanup or even clearing out garage spaces. Its ability to switch between vacuuming and blowing functions adds another layer of convenience. However, there are some drawbacks worth noting. The components can occasionally detach during use if not secured properly, a minor inconvenience that can disrupt your workflow. Additionally, while this kit eliminates the need for ladders in many cases, it still requires access to a compatible wet-dry vacuum system. If you don't already own one, this could increase your initial investment. Despite these minor issues, the CRAFTSMAN kit excels in efficiency and ease of use. The extension wands provide ample reach for single-story homes or lower sections of multi-story buildings. For those who value speed and convenience in their gutter cleaning routine, this kit is a fantastic option. 2. Sealegend Gutter Cleaning Tools. The Sealegend gutter cleaning tools are designed to simplify gutter maintenance by using your existing leaf blower or vacuum system. This versatile kit includes 3 extension wands and an elbow nozzle that allows you to clean gutters from ground level safely. With its universal compatibility and lightweight design, it's perfect for homeowners who want to avoid climbing ladders while keeping their gutters clear. One of the standout features of this kit is its flexibility. The modular design allows you to adjust the length based on your home's specific needs, reaching up to 8 feet when fully assembled. The elbow nozzle ensures precision by directing airflow exactly where it's needed most, making it highly effective at removing leaves and other debris from hard-to-reach areas. While this tool offers significant advantages in terms of safety and convenience, it does have some limitations. For one, its effectiveness depends heavily on the power of your leaf blower or vacuum system. If your equipment lacks sufficient suction or blowing power, you may find it less effective against stubborn debris or wet leaves. Additionally, some users have reported difficulty with maintaining secure connections between the wands during extended use. Despite these minor concerns, the Sealegend kit excels in making gutter cleaning faster and more efficient. Its lightweight construction reduces fatigue during operation while ensuring durability over time. For those who already own compatible equipment and want an affordable solution for ground-level gutter maintenance, this kit is a strong contender. In summary, the Sealegend gutter cleaning tools offer an excellent combination of safety, versatility, and ease of use. They're particularly well-suited for homeowners looking to streamline their gutter cleaning process without compromising on effectiveness or convenience. 1. Orbit Gutter Cleaning Wand. The Orbit Gutter Cleaning Wand takes the top spot on our list due to its simplicity, effectiveness, and user-friendly design. This telescoping wand connects directly to your garden hose and uses water pressure to blast away debris from your gutters effortlessly. With an adjustable length ranging from 40 inches to 70 inches and a rotating zinc sweeper nozzle that provides 180-degree coverage, this tool ensures thorough cleaning without requiring you to leave the ground. What sets the Orbit wand apart is its versatility. It's not just limited to gutters. You can also use it for cleaning siding, windows, driveways, sidewalks, and more. The built-in shutoff valve allows you to control water flow directly from the wand handle, a small but incredibly convenient feature that saves time during operation. The lightweight aluminum construction ensures durability while remaining easy to handle during extended use. However, like many water-based tools, its performance can vary depending on your home's water pressure levels. Homes with low water pressure may find it less effective at dislodging heavy debris or compacted dirt. Despite this minor limitation, the Orbit wand remains one of the safest options available for gutter maintenance. Its ground-level operation eliminates the need for ladders entirely, making it ideal for homeowners concerned about safety risks associated with climbing heights. In conclusion, the Orbit Gutter Cleaning Wand is a game-changer in home maintenance tools. Its ease of use combined with its versatility makes it an invaluable addition to any homeowner's toolkit. Whether you're tackling clogged gutters or simply sprucing up your home's exterior surfaces, this wand delivers exceptional results every time. And there you have it, the top 7 gutter cleaners ranked. From basic manual tools like the Amerimax 8300 Getter Scoop to high-tech solutions like the Orbit Gutter Cleaning Wand, there's something here for every homeowner's needs and budget. Remember that choosing the right tool depends on factors like your home's layout, gutter height, and personal preferences. Which of these tools do you think would work best for your home? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more reviews on tools that make home maintenance easier than ever before. Thanks for watching.